Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Fly James on behalf of Midi Monarch, and today I'm just gonna be showing you guys 3 easy ways that you can import MIDI files into Logic Pro. So let's get started with the first way, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys could have guessed it. It's just the drag and drop method. So let's say you have your folder with your MIDI files, or if your MIDI files are on your desktop, whatever. You find the files, and you simply just drag and drop them. And of course, Logic is gonna ask you, do you want to change the tempo, or whatever. I don't know if that's the case for like other DAWs for like FL Studio and all that, but in this instance, let's just say no. And there you go. You got your MIDI in there. Okay. So now the next method is actually just to go directly through Logic. So here I'm gonna make a new track. I actually think it's gonna create a track for me anyway, but let's just make a new one just in case. You're gonna go to import and then MIDI file. And then let's click one of these. And yeah, like I said, it created another track for me. So, boom, there you go. So that's 2 out of 3. Now the third way is actually kind of like the most like inconvenient way. I guess it could be convenient in a way, but the third way is basically doing it from the folder. So we got our folder. Let me reopen Logic. So yeah, we've got our folder, and let's say we don't have Logic open, but we want to view the MIDI or whatever. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click that file, and then you're gonna hit open with, and then you would go to Logic Pro. In this case, it's gonna ask me, do I want to close? So I'm just gonna hit close and act like I never had Logic open. Don't save. And boom, just like that, it opens it up in Logic for you. So yeah, there you have it. That's 3 quick and easy ways to import MIDI files into Logic. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe for me. And yeah, there you go. That's 3 ways to import MIDIs in under 3 minutes.